Well, hello folks, Austin Baumgarten here with Keller Williams Realty Northwest Montana and Hidden Homes Montana, coming to you on Vlog Day. So far this year, we've been talking about the numerous ways you can prepare for the market, various lending options, and the projected increase in interest rates we're expecting to see by the end of 2022. Our next topic, different loan options, credit scores, and how they can affect you. What you can do to improve your score before purchasing your dream home. If you're a first-time home buyer, you're probably wondering, what does my credit score really need to be in order to buy a house? Well, the short answer is it really depends. Lending institutions are bound by specific rules which determine credit score requirements, and those rules vary by loan type. So I want to jump right into 5 different loan options. First loan option, VA loans. These are affordable home loans for veterans and active duty service members. VA loans are backed by the Department of Veterans Affairs and are guaranteed against losses. Because of this, lenders can offer low interest rates, no down payment, and a credit score requirement of 580. Loan option number 2, FHA Loans. The Federal Housing Administration developed this original mortgage loan way back in the 1930s, and that was to help the average American attain home ownership. FHA loans require a 3.5% down payment, have a minimum loan length of 15 years, and interest rates that aren't contingent on your credit score. However, FHA loans don't have a credit score stipulation, but many lenders will want to see a minimum credit score of at least 580. Loan option number 3, government-backed USDA loans. These are available for those purchasing homes outside of densely populated areas. That includes rural areas, small towns, and suburbs encompassing around 91% of the United States. USDA loans offer interest rates averaging 0.5% lower than a conventional loan and have no down payment requirements. They require a credit score of 620 or higher. However, exceptions can be made for home buyers with extenuating circumstances. Loan option number 4. The most common home loans are conventional loans and tend to be the default option for home buyers because of their low interest rates. You can obtain a conventional loan through mortgage lenders, mortgage brokers, banks, and credit unions. The approval requires a hard minimum credit score of about 620. Last but not least, loan option number 5. Home buyers who are seeking a loan too large for the local mortgage loan limit frequently turn to jumbo loans. Jumbo loans may come with a down payment of 5 to 25% and can be used for a variety of property types. They don't have a specific credit score requirement, but the higher the better because they're looking at your income and credit score to determine your approval and interest rate. You want a credit score of about 680 or higher for these jumbo loans. Now that we've gone over our 5 different loan options, let's look at 5 tips on ways you can improve your credit score within the next 6 months. Tip number 1. Pay your bills on time. Did you know that your payment history accounts for 35% of your FICO credit score? I didn't. Tip number 2, don't close out your old accounts. Ensure that your payments are up to date and make a point of paying all upcoming bills on time. Just go back and remember tip number 1. Tip number 3, lower your credit utilization. And you can do this in 2 ways. You can increase your debt payment temporarily, or you can request a credit limit increase. Tip number 4, avoid taking out new lines of credit. A hard credit inquiry is performed on new lines of credit and can affect your credit score for up to 6 months. And last but not least, tip number 5, be patient. Big changes to your credit score will not happen overnight. As your credit score goes up, your interest rate goes down, saving you money in the long run. Okay, that's a lot to process. Just please give me a call if you have any questions. You can call me at 406-471-1847, and we can chat more in depth about your upcoming real estate ventures. In the meantime, new things that are happening in the Flathead Valley this upcoming February brings with it an outstanding annual event full of fun, frivolity, and friendship. Of course, I'm referring to the Whitefish Winter Carnival. This year's theme, 80s Rewind. Totally rad! Again, folks, this is Austin Baumgarten with Keller Williams Realty Northwest Montana and Hidden Homes Montana. Thank you so much for joining me on this vlog. I hope this brings you value, contributing to your home buying quest. Austin Baumgarten, over and out.